Prefixes. Let's get started. You may have heard the word prefix before. A prefix is a word chunk that is added to the beginning of a root word. The prefix changes the meaning of the root. Knowing the meaning of the prefix can help us with understanding the meaning of the word as a whole. But what is a root word? A root word is a word or a word part without any other chunks attached. Many of the words we use in our daily language come from a root word. Once you pull off all the prefixes or suffixes, the root is usually what remains. Okay, so help me understand. If I have the word return, that's just a regular word, right? Well, let's think about the word. I know other words that start with the same beginning, re. Re is a prefix. It means again or back. So if I take that off, the root I'm left with is the word turn. Oh, I get it. The root word is turn, and when I add re to the beginning, it changes the meaning of the word turn. Right. The word return means to turn back or turn again because you added the prefix re to the beginning. Let's look at some other prefixes. Okay, let's start with pre. We say it pre. What words do you know that start with pre? Pre-read, prefix, pre-write. I know what those words are. What do you think pre means? Well, if I think about those words and what they mean, I guess pre would mean before. Before reading, before writing, and then the prefix coming before the root word. Okay, let's try another. UN. What words can you think of that start with un? Unfriendly, unaccepted, unkind. So if I take off the UN, I have friendly, accepted, and kind. What could UN mean? So UN, if I put it in front of those words, it seems to mean the opposite, or not. Unfriendly, not friendly. Unaccepted, not accepted. Or unkind, not being kind. Okay, let me try. What about T-E-L-E? Telly. What words do I know? Telephone, teleport, telegram. Okay, if I take off the T-E-L-E, I'm left with phone, port, and gram. So let me think about it. If I'm on a phone, I'm usually not talking to someone close to me. So telephone, it's going far away. Same thing with teleport. I've seen that in sci-fi movies. They kind of go somewhere far away. They teleport. Telegram is if I send a letter to someone far away. So if I think about it, T-E-L-E, telly, must mean far, because all of those things are talking about something that's going on far away. Yay! Let's try one together. How about auto? What words do I know? Automobile, automatic, autopilot? All things that happen by themselves or that I can do by myself. It must mean self. Auto equals self. What about the word photosynthesis? I know that word from science class. It has to do with plants and sunlight. And I know the word photograph. It has something to do with using light to capture an image. So photo must be a prefix that means light, because it is at the beginning of both these words that have to do with light. That makes sense. So the word photosensitive must mean sensitive to light. Okay, one more. I think I know a lot of words that start with DIS, like the words dislike or disagree. So is DIS a prefix? Yes, it is. What do you think it means? Let's see. If I dislike something, that means I do not like it. If I disagree with something or someone, it means I do not agree. So I guess DIS means not. Right. The prefix DIS, when added to the beginning of a root word, changes the meaning of the root to mean not. I think I finally have it. Thanks for the help. You're welcome. I bet we would know the meaning of a lot more words if we know the meaning of the prefixes first.